Have you ever imagined turning a small investment into a real fortune? What if I told you that some people did exactly that with Dogecoin? Yes, that cryptocurrency that started as a joke and has now changed the lives of investors around the world. But what was their secret? How did they see the opportunity before everyone else? In today's video, you will hear real stories of ordinary people who bet on Doge and, against all odds, became millionaires. If you have ever thought about investing but felt afraid or thought it was too late, this video might change your perspective. So, stay with me until the end and find out how these people took one simple step that changed everything. To understand how these people made so much money, we need to go back to the beginning. In 2013, Dogecoin was created as a joke, a cryptocurrency inspired by a meme. Few people took it seriously, and in the beginning, its value was practically insignificant. But something happened that changed everything. Over time, the community grew, and influencers started talking about the coin. But the real turning point came when Elon Musk joined the game. With every tweet he posted, the price skyrocketed, and some people realized there was an opportunity. What started as a meme became a global sensation, and a gigantic chance for profit for those who knew how to see beyond appearances. Now, let's dive into the real stories of DOGE millionaires. The first is about a visionary investor who believed in the cryptocurrency's potential before its explosion. He bought Doge when it was worth fractions of a cent and held on to it for years. Even when people around him said it was a joke, he maintained his position. And when the price surged, his initial investment turned into millions. This teaches us the importance of long-term vision and the courage to invest even when no one else believes. The second case is about a trader who knew how to take advantage of market volatility. Unlike the first investor, he didn't hold Doge for years but used strategies to buy low and sell high. He studied charts, identified patterns, and knew the right time to enter and exit. This approach requires knowledge and discipline, but proves that it's possible to profit without waiting for the long term. If you learn to read the market, you can identify similar opportunities. The third story is about a long-term investor, the famous hodler. He bought Doge when it was cheap and ignored all the market fluctuations over the years. Even when the coin dropped in value, he didn't sell. He knew that in the crypto world, patience can be more profitable than any other strategy. And indeed, when Doge exploded in 2021, he saw his wealth grow in a surreal way. This story teaches us that in the cryptocurrency market, patience is often the key to great fortunes. What do these millionaires have in common? First, they all had a plan. None of them invested blindly or acted on impulse. Second, they studied the market. They understood the right moments to enter and exit, and above all, remain calm during uncertain times. The third point is that they knew how to diversify. None of them put all their money into Doge, but used cryptocurrency as part of a strategic portfolio. And most importantly, they all had a long-term mindset, knowing that real profit does not come from impulsive decisions, but from well-thought-out strategies. Now, you might be wondering, is it still possible to profit from Doge? The answer is yes, but only with the right strategy. Today, there are new opportunities in the cryptocurrency market, and even those who missed Doge's explosion can learn from these millionaires. If you want to invest, first, study the market, analyze charts, understand trends, and pay attention to behavior of big investors. Second, have a clear strategy. If you plan to invest for the long term, be prepared to hold onto your investment and ignore market fluctuations. If you want to trade in the short term, learn to identify patterns and make strategic decisions. And above all, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Successful investors have patience, emotional control, and a long-term vision. They understand that the market is volatile and avoid making decisions based on emotion. They study patterns and trust their analysis, not popular opinion. The price of Dogecoin has fluctuated over time, but major investors knew how to identify strategic buying moments. They used technical analysis, indicators like RSI and moving averages, and monitored market sentiment before making a purchase. Dogecoin's price skyrocketed with Elon Musk's tweets. Attentive investors anticipated these moments and positioned themselves before the peaks. They also analyzed the impact of influencers and news about institutional adoption. Dogecoin has a strong community, active on social media and forums. This community drove the coin's adoption and helped maintain liquidity. Smart investors engage in these spaces to capture trends and make informed decisions. Common mistakes include buying at the top, selling in moments of panic, and investing without a strategy. The Dogecoin millionaires avoided these pitfalls by studying the market and maintaining a clear plan. The same strategy used for Dogecoin can be applied to other cryptocurrencies. Investors look for coins with strong communities, practical use cases, and support from influencers or companies. Monitoring new launches and partnerships is essential. Those who held on to Dogecoin for years saw huge profits. The concept of HODL means resisting market swings and trusting in long-term growth. Many millionaires adopted this approach and avoided selling too early. Dogecoin's listing on major exchanges made trading easier and increased its visibility. With greater accessibility, more investors could buy and sell, directly impacting the coin's appreciation. Dogecoin could grow even more if it gains adoption for payments and technological improvements. Its popularity remains high, and partnerships could strengthen its position in the crypto market. To invest safely, it is essential to diversify assets, set goals, and manage risks. Constant market study and a well-structured strategy are crucial to achieving good results. In 2014, Jake Thompson, a 25-year-old from Seattle, worked as a programmer and spent his free time exploring the world of cryptocurrencies. He had never seriously invested, but a friend introduced him to Dogecoin, a coin based on a meme. Jake found it amusing and, without great expectations, decided to buy 200,000 Doge for just $50. To him, it was just a joke, an experiment to understand how the crypto market worked. Time passed, and Jake completely forgot about the investment. He loosely followed the crypto world, but never took Dogecoin seriously. The coin had small fluctuations over the years, but never caught his attention enough to sell or invest more. Little did he know that his small investment was about to change unexpectedly. In 2021, Jake was drinking coffee and checking the news when he saw a headline about Dogecoin surging in the market. Elon Musk had tweeted about the coin, and it was reaching record highs. Intrigued, Jake accessed his old digital wallet, and to his surprise, his 200,000 Doge was now worth over $40,000. He couldn't believe it. An investment he once considered a joke could now pay off his student loans and still leave him with a good amount of money. Jake decided to study the right time to sell. He realized that Dogecoin was highly volatile and that the market could continue rising. Over the following weeks, he followed charts, news, and discussions in crypto forums. In May 2021, when Doge hit 65 cents, he sold half of his assets for $65,000, securing a solid profit while keeping part of his holdings for future appreciation. With $65,000 in his account, Jake saw the potential of the crypto market. Instead of spending all the money, he diversified. Part of his profit went into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and another part into promising blockchain projects. He also used a portion for courses on investing and market analysis, aiming to enhance his knowledge. Over the following years, Jake continued investing strategically, learning from each market high and low. His small Dogecoin investment not only changed his financial situation, but also opened doors to a new world of possibilities. He no longer saw cryptocurrencies as just speculative assets, but as a tool for financial independence. Today, Jake shares a story in online communities, helping new investors avoid common mistakes and make smarter decisions. What started as a joke turned into a valuable lesson that changed his life. If you've made it this far, you've already taken an important step. You're informing yourself and learning from those who have succeeded. Now, the decision is in your hands. You can keep just watching, or you can start taking action. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share it with someone who needs to hear these stories. And tell me in the comments, have you ever invested in cryptocurrencies? Let's exchange ideas and learn together.